that part of that is the fault of the candidate. If you allow yourself to get bogged down, then you're going to get bogged down. The fact is that I'm the first pro-life governor in the history of the state of New Jersey.
You're pro-life, but you'd stay out of and states can...
Well, I'm pro-life. So you're saying the social issues bog you down. I'm pro-life. Didn't bog me down.
Well, you want to take away the right to choose from women?
Because I took other issues like the ones you talked about, right. And that's where I spent most of my time.
Do you think a Republican candidate should run on taking away the right to choose from women?
A Republican candidate should tell people what they feel on issues that people ask you about. If you get asked a question, answer it. That's all.
You're pro-life, but what would you do in terms of what we've been talking about this morning, just the ruling that came down from the Supreme Court yesterday? Was the Supreme Court right in its decision?
Who knows? Is the Supreme Court right? I mean, the fact is that when you're an executive, your Supreme Court makes a ruling, and you got to live with it unless you can get the legislative body to change the law or change the Constitution. The point is like, why should I give an opinion on whether they're right or wrong? In the end of the day, they did what they did. That's now the law of the land, unless people in the elected branches try to change it. This is the way you get bogged down in those things. You know what? I don't think that's the most central issue that we need about this morning when you look at the challenges that face our country. And if I allow people to put me into that box, then shame on me. I'm not a good politician. I'm not a good leader.